If you hate memorizing theory and just want to win games as black, then this opening right here is for you. This setup works whether they play e4 or d4. It's the same moves. It's solid and it's easy. Let's go ahead and take a look at this opening versus e4. We get e4, d6, knight f3, knight f6, knight c3, g6, d4, bishop g7, bishop c4, castles, castles. While we got this position pulled up, let me show you a little bonus trick that I like to play. It is knight takes e4. And it looks crazy like, oh, they can just take the knight. And they do. And then you play d5 with the fork. Great move. I'm telling you, this opening is really easy. Let's take a look. I played the same exact moves against d4. We get d4, d6, c4, knight f6, knight c3, g6, bishop g5, bishop g7, e4, castles. Same moves as we played against e4. Learning one opening is step one. I made a video on how I got to 1500 using this opening. Hit subscribe and check that out next.